Greetings everybody, thanks for joining me today in the review of Hostinger. Hostinger is a web hosting service that is quickly gaining popularity in America. But if you're in an East Asian country, you probably already known about them. They are well known. Their popularity of Hostinger is the extremely low pricing and the most interesting to me meaning of so cheap. I still found Hostinger is sell in several key areas like fast loading times are impressive optimized, and Hostinger is returning a easy use to which is why are great low choice for the newbies too, and the most improvement is their customer service. You can see their anniversary hosting doll is starting from 12 month plus and also the free SSL. Their offer ends in 1 day 24 hours, so hurry up, you already have 1 day. You can see their packages here. The single shared hosting ideal solution starts from 1.39 USD dollar, and the most popular premium shared hosting package is perfect package for personal website is starting from $2.59. I think this is the best one. You can see here the websites they're giving 100 websites, 100 GB SSD storage, 25,000 plus visit monthly, and free email, free SSL, free domain, Google Ads card, limited bandwidth. Also manage WordPress acceleration, 30 days money back guarantee. This is the main thing you can see here. The 30 days money back guarantee. Also unlimited database, GTI access SH. You can all get this only for $2.59. And the third one is business shared hosting optimized for all small business is starting from 3.99 USD dollar. It also have the same thing you can see here, but it also got the free CND. You can find the perfect domain name, enter domain name. You can also enter here domain name here. Then you can see the easy setup. This is the main thing of Hostinger. You can see the easy setup. Getting your website live is simple as a click of a button. Every you need provide in a clear way, and the website is very simple and fast. Website speed can slow your grow business, delight your visitors with a lightning fast website. You can see their website is really fast growing, and they also have a WordPress made easy. The WordPress is made easy. Start your website with an automatic one-click WordPress installation. The backend is powered by light speed caching and advanced optimizing to ensure your websites are fast and reliable secure. You have to secure that your website is fast, so this is a really good deal. Also there you can see their customer support 24/7. Our team of experts will solve the technical issues to get your websites up and running. The customer support is Hostinger is really great. They'll help you 24/7 to fix your issues and technical problems. Also you can see the from micro to large scale. Different projects require different technologies. Pick a plan to the matches your current needs, then upgrade your scale as your website grows. And the other is user-friendly control panel. The control panel of Hostinger is really friendly. You can see easy of use. Hostinger panel is extremely user and friendly, can be used by those who with little experience of website development. If you're newbie in Hostinger, you can easily build your own website. It's also powerful wide variety of tools satisfy advanced user and website developer needs. WordPress optimize. Get more speed, better SEO, visit resternization and conversation with your custom built WP optimization stack in light speed cache. These are the main thing you will need to build your website. So They also have 30 days money back guarantee. This is a huge opportunity. 30 back money guarantee, guys. If you are not happy with our service or for whatever reason, we will refund you your payment. No hassle, no risk. If you are not enjoying their service, they will pay you back in 30 days. They also have many websites of their. You can see their web hosting. Web hosting for your mission, hosting an anniversary deal. It's already started from $2.59 per month. Choose your web hosting plan. Get a free SSL in that price. Compared to all web hosting pages. Now how you are gonna choose your package? You will need to know about your own usage. Like if you are a beginner, then you have to select this package. It got one website, 38 GB SSD storage, 100,000 visits monthly, one email account, free SSL, free domain, Google Ad credit, 10 GB SSD with bandwidth, managed with WordPress acceleration, 30 days money back guarantee. If you're beginner, then choose this one. It's about $1.39 per month. If you want to build a personal website, then this package is really good for you. Then you can see it's really popular now, most popular package. It have the 30 websites, 10 GB SSD storage, and free email, free SSL, free domain, Google ad cards, unlimited bandwidth, like many more things you will need to build your website. Let's see all the features. You can see if you want a business shared hosting for a small business, then this package is for you. You can see it starts from $3.99 per month. Then you will get 10 websites, 10 GB SSD storage, 100,000 visits plus monthly, free email, free SSL, also free domain, Google ad cards, unlimited bandwidth, managed WordPress, 30 days money back guarantee, unlimited database, GIT access, SSC access, and many more things you will need to if you want to build your small business website. Then these are for you. Hostinger is really gaining popularity in America, but if you are in a small East Asian country, probably already known about them. They are well known. There are many popularity hostinger in the eternally low pricing, and the most interesting to me means I still found hostinger sell in a several key areas like fast loading times. Their website is gaining many popularity in America. If you want to build a website, then Hostinger is the best choice for you. Thanks for watching the full video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new in this channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.